Just landed yesterday. The customer can't wait, we can't wait either. This thing is gonna look crazy. Let's unbox these BCForged wheels and see what we're cooking. So these bad boys right here, it's the BCForged HCK series, the 198. It is a two-piece with a floating spoke. We are running a 20x10 in the front and a 21x12 in the rear, upgrading from the OEM 19 front 20-inch rear setup. Obviously we gotta go bigger. And these wheels being a two-piece floating spoke design, unlike a three-piece wheel, you're not gonna get that three-piece seal in the middle of the barrel, but you're still gonna get that three-piece appearance. These are still super lightweight. And the best part of it all, of course, is the finish. We have the brush face with the polished lip. Had to be done. Initially, the customer was deciding on maybe going with a bronze lip with a black center. But with the paint on this car being that factory AMG Magno Stealth Gray, for me, there was no other choice. We had to go polished with the brush face. So it's not your regular Unbox That Wheel ending. Car's here, it's going right into the bay. We're gonna see the final result. Let us know what you guys think. And if you guys want BCForged wheels, there's only one spot.